Welcome to Elite Truck Repairs, where we fix trucks right the first time. I'm Jason, and we just started up in January in Vancouver, BC, Canada. We do everything from engines, custom fabrication, full restorations, and everything in between. We're going to do a whole bunch of cool projects, including the full restoration on a 71 Chevy 3/4 ton pickup. We got a 67 Mustang and turning it into a Dragster. We're going to be rebuilding a Cummins engine for resale. We're also going to be making a lot of content with pro tips and tricks to help you become the best mechanic you can be. We're going to be doing live streams, answering questions. Feel free to drop comments and questions about anything mechanical. We'll do our best to get answers to you and help you learn. So if you're interested in checking out some cool projects and restorations, hit the like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you down there.